In this video, we will look into adding a DVD drive to our Hyper-V. So we will right click on the machine that we want to add a DVD drive to, and we will click on iSCSI controller, and we can also add a new iSCSI controller from here. Add, and then what do we want to do this with this iSCSI controller? DVD drive, hard drive, DVD drive, shared drive. So we'll do DVD drive here. So we have this added, and we can also from here we can add a new DVD drive, and we can assign an image file here, and downloads and apply. So when we boot our VM after this, we will be able to install our operating system using the DVD drive. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.